Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Contemplating annihilating this painting, or at least changing it so much that you do not recognize it. And I think I'm going to go ahead and give myself some gold, because as I think of it, I keep wanting gold. So my plan is pretty vague, honestly, is to put some colors down that I like, and then use my leftover Floetrol with Amsterdam black in it from the last video I made, and make an attempt. So I don't know how this is going to work, but right now I need to figure it out before I go any further. I want some lighter blue, and I have it. I might even want some electric blue. No, I like that. I could probably just leave it like that and I'd be happier, but I really want to experiment. And I have black Floetrol, American Floetrol, with Minwax Pre-Stain Wood Conditioner in it. I'm going to grab some purple too. And if I need 3 colors, I'll use them. But here goes nothing. I have a dog hair stuck right in the middle of that. This might work. I might just have to keep... What is that? That is the tack I just took out of that bottle. That's not cool. So, I don't mind the colors mixing. If I need more, I'll just come in and grab more. And I don't mind if they're little blocks of color floating, because that's kind of cool. And I'm not cleaning off my card. If I have residuals and I need to put it someplace, I will. And in that case, there wasn't anything else there. I like the pink a lot. More black. I wanted to use white too. I just haven't got there yet. I didn't expect to like this as much as I do. And I do. Maybe it's the gold. The gold is Decor Americana 24 karat gold. And since all bets are off, I can dip to my heart's content. Dip and drag. I want more black. So it's time to get busy. Let's just move that right there. I don't know where the dog hairs are coming from. Maybe off my dogs, duh. Let's hope I can follow through and finish this, because I'm really actually having such a good time, and I'm liking the effect that I've got with the black. And there's no rules. There are no rules that say I have to go over the edge. There's no rules that say I can't. I am almost done. So, part 2 is cool. At least in my mind. I'm liking this a lot. Glad I did it. I have no regrets. Except for some of those lines. I'm not sure about the lines. So I'll just pull on them. Because they'll just wind up being a gold spot. You know, that can't be worse than not being sure. I see. Boy, I've used up all my paint. I like what shows through. I like what I'm seeing on the surface. That was a ball. I recommend that to anybody who isn't quite sure that they're in love with their piece. I'm going to put a little more black right there and right here. It's colorful and dramatic and dynamic, and that white is drawing my eye, so it's got to go. Just tapping the card in place is good enough. I say that. I got one more spot. Cool. Yeah, I know. I'm still playing. So I love you guys. I hope you come again. I post 7 days a week. You can see my posts at 9:30 a.m. and 10 p.m. most Eastern Standard Time days. That came out wrong. I have a link tree underneath the video with my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. I'm loving that. I want to put some white in there now. That might be a bad idea. But you know what? I got to try it. I don't think I want a lot, but I don't think I mind a little. Maybe here and there. What can I say? I like stuff that's weird. And this is really cool and weird, and I like it. And I could put some gold dots in there, but I'm not going to do that. Because I'm okay with this. I'm not just okay with it, I'm happy with it. So I love you guys. I think I said that to begin with. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I really, really appreciate it. I might take some of my leftover cell activator and put it over the edge. I want to do this to a bunch more paintings. All right. Ooh, that's nice from up here too. Last time I did this, I did it with a basting brush, the second stage. That might be interesting, but we'll find out another time. Oh, I love this. Oh, cool. It's kind of messy, but it's colorful and dramatic and fun. And I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. Thank you for looking at my email address underneath, show more underneath the link tree. If you have an interest in purchasing an artwork, you may reach me there. If you have a question, you may reach me there also. I said I had 2,200 videos, and if I didn't, I'm saying it now, and they are organized by topic and genre, and I will help you find a playlist or a particular video. I have everything organized, and even though it sounds like a lot, I'm kind of used to it, and I can help you. If you have questions, please ask. If you'd like to help me, shop my Amazon link. Anything you want on Amazon, you can start at my link, and it will help me out. My 2 books are on my Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and lots of other, there's like 4 lists of really cool tools and paints on my Amazon link. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. So will my Facebook groups, or at least my personal page and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. All right, I give lessons. After I'm 100%, I'll be giving lessons again. So make an inquiry to find out if things are copacetic. And I will talk to you guys anon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I can't wait for this to dry. I love this painting. I will speak to you anon. I'm going to do it again. See ya. Bye for now. Priscilla out.